This is a quick tip for dispatchers. Hey team, happy Saturday. I'm coming to you guys with a quick message today about BOLs, known as Bill of Ladings. A BOL serves three purposes. It is the receipt of goods delivered, serves as a description of goods, and three, it serves as the evidence of titles to goods. Now, once the load is delivered, technically a BOL serves a fourth purpose. The BOL also turns into what is known as a proof of delivery, showing proof that the goods were in fact delivered with signatures from both the shipper and the receiver or consignee. If you're dispatching for carriers or if you're a carrier yourself, it is essential for trucking carriers and companies to keep blank BOLs on hand in their trucks in the event that a shipper does not provide the BOL, or they forgot to provide the BOL and they've driven miles away now and are just realizing that they don't have the BOL. The truck can quickly stop and pull over, or in the event that they know beforehand from the shipper that they don't have a BOL to provide for them, they can fill out their blank BOL, whether their own company BOL or a blank carbon copy BOL. Fill out the description of goods and all the information and the load number, and be on your way to the receiver and make sure you get it signed. This is important because if the truck gets pulled over by DOT, known as Department of Transportation, or the trucker police, you want to make sure you have that evidence of title to goods, because they're going to be looking for that if you're transporting commercial freight. If there is no proof of title to the goods that you're traveling with no titles to the goods, a carrier can get fined, or worse, they can get put out of service. So it's important to always keep a BOL when you're transporting commercial property. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.